Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios where the vibes are immaculate and what? The food is delicious! My name is Yanni. Today we're making a Rigatoni Bolognese. Rigatoni Bolognese is a classic and beloved pasta dish that originated in the Bologna region in Italy. It is a hearty and super satisfying meal that combines a gorgeous tomato-based sauce with perfectly cooked pasta. Roll up your sleeves and get ready because we are deep diving into mainland Italy. Before we begin on this little Italian journey, please make sure to hit that like button, hit subscribe, and tap on that little notification bell. Heat a large Dutch oven or heavy bottomed pot over medium-high heat and add your olive oil. Add the sausage and beef and cook, stirring occasionally until browned, about 6 to 8 minutes. Lower the heat to medium and then add the chopped onions and cook this down, stirring it occasionally until they're softened. Now this will take about 3 to 4 minutes. Add the garlic and cook this, stirring constantly until it is fragrant. You don't want the garlic to burn. Only do this for about a minute. Add your tomato paste and cook this down. It will turn darker in color and the tomato paste will intensify and deepen in flavor. It'll add so much yummy complexity to this meal. Add the water now, scraping up any brown bits at the bottom of the pan. This stuff is called fond and it is liquid gold. Stir in the crushed tomatoes and mix until well combined. Add the sugar, Italian seasoning, salt, black pepper, red pepper flakes, and parsley. You're gonna bring the sauce to a boil and then immediately turn that heat down and bring it to a simmer. When you cook Bolognese sauces, you just want the slightest, most gentle bubbling. It's gonna cook for about 30 minutes in this manner, and as it goes, make sure you scrape down the sides of the pot. All of this flavor is building there, so make sure you reincorporate it into the sauce. While the sauce is doing its thing, it's doing its simmering, on the side, bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Cook your pasta until it is al dente, so just so it has a little bit of a bite to it. Taste the sauce and adjust for the seasonings. Add a little bit of salt, maybe a little pepper. If you want to go crazy, pop in some red pepper flakes for some heat. Then you're going to take the pasta and move it to the Bolognese sauce and mix it in, toss it. It is going to absorb some of this gorgeous flavor we've built in the sauce. Plate this iconic little pasta, add a little dollop of ricotta and freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and just the slightest, most beautiful, fresh, green sprinkle of parsley. It just tastes like home to me. If you want more recipes like this, please check out the description box below or head to cozymeal.com/recipes for more food like this. Y'all, if you want to show some love, please make sure to hit that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see just a couple of more recipes like this one. My name is Yanni. Mwah. Until next time.